And I'm here. Now, let's check, make sure that we're streaming. Okay. All good. Solve each system of equation by graphing. The first line is sloping downwards and it passes through 3 on the y-axis, and it has a downward slope of negative 5/3. And what does that mean? That means that the change in y will be 5 for every 3 units change in the x-axis direction. So I visualize a triangle that's a right-angled triangle that's 5 units high and 3 units wide. And there we go. And now all I need to do is connect up these points. Just there like that. Of course, if I had a ruler, I would do it much cleaner. And now the second line, its y-intercept is negative 3 and it has a gradient of 1/3. That means that for every 1 unit that it goes up in the y direction, it goes in the triangle, and solving similarly, we obtain this line. Now, where those lines intersect and cross, that is the solution to the system of equations. So that would be 3, negative 2. 3 is the x value and negative 2 is the y value. If you pick up 3 and you put it in this equation here, you get negative 5/3 multiplied by 3, which is negative 5, and then plus 3, which gives you negative 2 as desired. Now we try for the second one. We pick up 3 and we put it in this equation right here where x is, and we have 1/3 of 3, which is 1, take away 3, which is negative 2 as desired. And that's what it means to solve a system of equations by graphing. And now I'll continue. All right. 3, 4. So here's the limit of solving these equations by graphing. You actually can't tell where, because it doesn't pass through a lattice point on the coordinate grid. Okay. And here we go. And I check. Good. Ooh, okay. That one has to be redone. No problem. All right. Slope of -1/2 should look like that. And now +2 and a slope of -3/2. Oh, I think, am I doing this right? No, I see. There. Much better. Okay. And now to solve equations. I believe I will try by substitution first. Here we go. There. 2, 1 if you like. Okay, y is x -1, so I'll just plug it up there. Expand. Uh-oh. That was a mistake. Try again. So x is 4. and y is 3. Hmm. Five equals -3. So 17x equals 17. So x is 1 and y is 2. So x is -4 and y is 3. Y is -2, huh? Well, that makes my job very simple. So x must be 3, and y is -2, is it not? Take 7. So x is and y is 3. Okay, so y is 4x plus 6. So x is -3, and y must be -6. Right, I believe so. Okay. All right, so here x is 2y plus 11. So so that means y is -4, and x must be 3. Lovely. And now y is 5x take 2. Oh, so I guess x is 0 and y is -2, I suppose. Oh, so y is 5x take 3. So this means that is 0, I suppose. X is 1 take 3y. So 6y take 6y is -12. Okay, so y is -2. And consequently, x must be 7. Okay, so y is 19 take 5x. That's equal to 20. All right, so 37x. Now that is minus 152, and add that on and you get 172. So feels like 6, but it's not. Did I do that right? Guess I have to slow down here. Could have possibly wrote something bad by accident. Okay. Minus 40x minus 43x. Okay, I've detected it. And y is minus 1. Well, y is x plus 3, huh? Okay, and 9 is 4, so that's an absurdity. I think we can see that this can't be true. Parallel lines. Suppose I can see that the bottom is 3 times larger than the top on the left, but not correspondingly on the right. Okay, so here, y is 5x at 13. That's 3, so 12x. 12x is negative 36, so x is negative 3. And what about y? Well, that would be negative 2, I guess. Y is negative 5x, take 13. All right, so negative 24x equals 70. So x is minus 3. Y is 2. Here, oops, y is minus 2x plus 20. So 16x is 112, and that means x is 7. And y is 6. And here, is this substitution really? Yes. Divide the bottom equation by 3. So y is negative x take 1. And x is minus 2. And how about y? Well, that would be 1. Likewise, divide the top by negative 2. and then use x equals 3y, take 3. And minus 13y minus 26. So y is 2. And how about x? Well, that'll be 3. And here we go. What now? Well, now it's just, it's not substitution, is it? Not really. It's elimination. Just have to deal with it. So, top and bottom, top by 2, bottom by 5. Add them together. So y is 1. And how about x? Minus 5. Now, similar story. Top by 5. Bottom by 2. Add them together. So y is 1. And as for x, well, it must be 4. And check. Do 1, 4, 3, 1, 2. Yep. It should be the other way around, but it's fine. And done, and done. And that was wonderful. All right. You ready for elimination? Solving them by elimination now. Okay. How many have you got for me today? 24. Not a problem. Let's get started. So I'll add them together. And this means y is negative 6. But what to do about x as a result? Plug it in. So 12, take 12, negative 24, divide 6. Over here, add. So y is negative 1. And then 28, so x is 4, x is 7. And here, well, you should add. So 3x is 30, so x is 10. 10 take y is 11, so y is -1. And add. So y is -1. What does that mean x is? Oh, -1. Take away. So x is 1. And as a result, oh, is that right? (19/9)? Well, we'll see in a sec. Take. -8. Okay, I'm going to check the first 6. Good. Good. No, I knew it. Something was wrong with this. Right, fix it. Okay. Take. Isn't it that? Okay. Oh, right. Do that one more time. 3. And check. And good. And next 6. Okay. Take. Well, order. Y is 6. 5. Here, take. Bottom top. Okay. 6. All right. -9. Here. Okay, good. Double. And take. So y is 4. What about x? 1. Quadruple. And add. So y is 5. What's x? 9. Good. Triple. And take. Bottom top. So y is -4, x is -4, I think, and triple. And take -5 and check. Check, check, check. 7. Correct. Correct. Good. And continue. Double. Add. Divide. And x. 0. It's possible. And here, double. Add. So, and y? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's -2. Next. Triple. And add. Okay. So x is 8. And y? -1. And here, double. Whoops. And bottom take. Okay. Oh. There. Here, uh-oh. Okay. No, negate. Okay. Bottom tick, add. Oh. Okay, x 1. And here, again, triple. Quintuple. And take. Oh. And as for x, right. And check. Okay. Looking good. there was an error. How did that happen? There wasn't an error with y? Let's see. Okay. Oh, double the bottom. But then what? Add to the top? Right. Negative 4x. Oh, other way. Other way. Other way. Okay. That's otherwise fine somehow. Last 6. Just do it. Okay. Top by 10. Bottom by 4. Take. Oh, really? Yes, really. As for x, it must be... No, hold on. That's not right. Minus 1. Here we go. Oh, I don't think that has a solution. But anyway, try. Okay, top by 5. By 3. And take. And x. Okay. See? Move. Top by 3. By 5. Take. Bottom top. Better. So y is 4. X is, come on, 6. Minus 6. Here. Oh, by 5. By 2. Oh, cancel, cancel. Look at that. They're the same line. X and Y can be whatever I want. Yeah. The bottom is 2.5 times the top. Okay. Rearrange. Negate. Better. Now, bottom by 2. Okay, add to that. What? That's an error. Okay, what happened? Okay, that's fine. Okay, bottom by 2, not by 2. And what to do now? Ah, it's 2, isn't it? 3x is 6, so x is 2. And y is what? 0. Here, arrange. Okay. Top by 5. And add. Okay. And x is -1. And check. Okay. And solved. Good. Take a break here and be back. Be well, be well.